Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Midnight Snack. I'm Dice.
I'm Heisey.
And I'm Garvey.
And tonight we have a not so special guest.
Not so special. So.
So.
Eh.
Actually, parang, he invited himself. No. Of course. Friend of ours. And it's been a while na hindi kami nagkita. Kevin or Knive Everdope. Yes. From the 6,000 Goons family. Oh, 6,000 Goons na.
6G.
Meron pa ba nun?
Yeah.
Yes.
As long as we live.
As long as we exist.
Yes. We don't die. Yeah. It's been a while, Kev. So we miss
Bitaw.
you, actually.
Have you been? Have you been, man?
Been good, man. And sakto lang na yung I had an event yesterday. It was a tech event. And
Tech event? What's a tech
it
event?
was about crypto fintech, and then I kind of invited
Ooh,
Dice.
big word.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
big
Wow.
words.
Big words, huh? Crypto fintech.
Then I invited Dice, and then Oman kay didn't come. And okay sad because we were full capacity mi gahapon.
Wow, congrats.
Congrats.
Right.
Successful
Wow.
event.
I was just like expecting to have like 50 people on there, but then
So it's your event?
no, not really. I was
Part.
part of the event kay
So speaker
How
ka?
many
I didn't speak, but
attendee
I
there?
had
How many attendee there?
we were expecting around 50 people to come, but then ang naabot gahapon was like
51.
70.
Wow.
It was about 70 plus.
Wow.
Congrats.
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 Congrats. What's crypto fintech?
Ay, wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God.
It's I'm not even sure if I have time to talk about that because it's a whole rabbit hole and it's yeah, like
Sige, if you can put it in one sentence, what is
How was it?
crypto
Or what is?
fintech?
How?
it's like
I'm not listening.
there's fintech, right? Like you are familiar
Finance,
with
right?
Finance tech,
Finance,
right? So
okay.
like fintech is like we've already been using like Gcash, Maya, but instead of like using, because it's still gonna be considered as fiat money or real money, right?
Right.
Kaya mo may transfer diya.
Right.
But with fintech, it's it's crypto.
Mm.
I mean with crypto fintech, crypto money, digital money, lahi nga currency siya, dili siya fiat
So
nga money.
so it's
Yeah.
about changing the currency lang from real money to
digital money,
digital money.
which is
Na
decentralized.
person to person
Yeah,
na
person to person,
transactions.
yes.
Digital transactions. Okay.
Yes, and decentralized, yeah, it doesn't have to go through banks, which as we know, kung banks na siya gamay nga disadvantage because we have like bank holidays, but
Right.
but with crypto, it's always
No
gonna be
weekends.
24/7, right?
Nice.
It's like
Real time.
real time,
Right.
yeah. it's
But
real
how
time.
about kasi if they go through bank the person to person digital platform goes through banks for a reason, right? Like for insurance of the money.
Yeah.
So does crypto fintech has that kind of insurance then?
No,
Yun lang yung
Yun lang.
disadvantage.
Yeah.
Okay.
they're said in the US they're trying to like have sanctions on it, but then I think people are against it, and then oh man, it's another rabbit hole. Can we talk about?
Can we talk about life now?
No. Di, ako, ito. I have this question. I have no idea. Pansin nyo, medyo tahimik ako. Bobo ako sa mga ganun eh.
I know a little bit about finance since I work in the banking industry. So
Yeah, you're with JP Morgan, right?
yeah.
JP Morgan.
Where, yeah.
Okay.
So not a lot of people know this, but kita people from music na take ka ng regular na rin kita regular ka day jobs because
Yeah.
sometimes
Speak for yourselves.
kani sila nagkuha naman dyan sila like
Kita ra ka.
kita lagi like
Hindi. Meron din kami, di ba? Mama said me, di ba?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he's talking about regular.
Regular,
Yeah.
yeah. Di, ako. Ikaw yung boss ko eh. Ano lang naman ako.
Regular job.
Hindi, yung regular day job ni Dice
Sweldado lang din ako dun eh.
is cleaning the
care of
house, taking care of the pets,
No.
taking care of High C.
Yeah. it's a job na murag forever.
Yeah, Princess.
And it's not an insult to him. It's a privilege for him.
Oh,
So.
you hear
It
that?
is.
It's a privilege.
Kumabi ka pa.
Diba, we always say that, di ba?
I'm proud man sa
Diba?
Alam mo,
Grabe mo.
one day, I will walk out of this podcast. Siyempre, pag nag-edit ako ng podcast natin, there's always this moment every episode na pinuput on the spot ba na parang, bakit mo natanong yung question na yun? Parang, podcast to, di ba? Pwede tayong bumato ng kahit anong, lalagay ka sa... Actually, hindi mo alam, Kev.
Sorry, Kev.
We do this every weekend.
Yeah.
Tapos, parang roast ko yun eh. Every Saturday.
The roast of
Yeah.
Dice Rosaros.
Uupo yan sila dyan. Tapos, tatanong si Garvey.
Nakikisali na nga yung mga viewers namin sa pag-roast sa kanila.
So what have you been up to, dude? Sasagot siya, eto, ganito na naman, nabuisit ako kasi ano na naman magmamaneho, parang, yun, that's like on a regular, like parang, so eto, naging ano na siya,
Therapy
podcast.
session.
I thought I can get away with it kasi podcast, people be watching and they will protect my, my integrity. But no, na worsened. Pinuput ako on the spot. Di ba? May mga ganun pa. Jesus. Wala.
The mic.
Diba? But anyways, talking about mga crypto and digital shit, mga stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm not really familiar and so when you say crypto, so wala nang physical money?
Yeah. But yung crypto wallet, matagal na din yun eh, di ba? May crypto wallet na mga legit talaga, right? Like sa Philippine, ano ba yun?
Wait, but my legit talaga. So meaning my hindi legit.
The only I think what they're trying to promote here is parang regular na ba na
Sarap nito.
magamit natin yung crypto wallet like a GCash wallet. Kasi ngayon yung crypto wallet na the normal crypto wallet, you can only buy so much like more on like person to person siya na transactions like just pay me via crypto, so eto crypto wallet ko, transfer ko sa iyo. So parang sa kanila yung parang more establishments would accept na the crypto, right?
Wait. So saan binabase yung value ng crypto mo? Like I have no idea, I'm clueless. Like I'm stuck in sa darkness na itong pinagsasabi nyo. For example, crypto. How do I start? Na parang
You have to
Sige,
have
go-
your
sige,
money
go
pa
for
rin,
it.
right?
like
Yeah,
a real money.
You have to
So
buy.
I have to buy
You have
this
to buy
parang
crypto,
coin or crypto.
Digital coin.
Yes.
Para siyang digital coin.
So bullshit siya.
Hindi, ganito siya.
So basically-
Para siyang digital coin na binabay mo based on the value on that day when you buy it. And
Kung
now,
magkano
yung value
nun.
din, yung value din is based on the number of people who's holding.
No, I know, man. I'm just playing dumb.
Okay. Hindi, para sa mga viewers din natin.
Yeah.
Diba, na
Remember
hindi alam
nung
yung
pandemic?
crypto.
Oh,
What
yung
did
mga
I
bobong
buy,
viewers
ha?
dyan, yun yung
What did I buy nung pandemic na sinuggest ni JTech na bumili ako nun? Tapos
yung-
bumili ako.
kumita ka nun.
Bumili ako.
Right.
Tapos
And there's a
nag-times
lot, right?
6.
Like 6 types?
Nag-times
Nag-times
6 siya.
Nag-times 6?
Oh,
I bought only kuan.
Tapos
1,000
nabenta mo, di ba?
dollars.
Yeah.
Ni-withdraw ko lang.
Na-withdraw mo.
Oh, yan. Binenta yun, di ba?
Technically, benta.
Oh, binenta ko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so nag-times 6. But, kung ano pa rin yun, kanang babantayan mo, di ba? Kasi may fluctuations.
Right.
So, ako binenta ko. Yung kapatid ni Dice, na si Kikay, hindi niya binenta. Tapos umabot yung time na
Nag-dip.
Nag-dip.
Yeah,
Oo.
nag-bear.
So,
Anong
panalo
tawag dun?
ako. Di ba?
bear.
Ano ba tawag? Ano bang term nun? Dip? Bear?
Yeah, yung dip is bear.
Yeah.
Then tapos yung...
It's bear.
Dip is bear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, tapos marami ng crypto types ngayon eh.
Yeah. And marami pa rin, marami ding mga shitcoins. We call them shitcoins. Parang mga meme coins. Like
Jesus.
yung Doge, yung Dogi ba? Yung Dogi.
Yung yung mga monkey na kon.
May doggy, may monkey.
May monkey na.
mga ganun.
Jesus.
And-
They always come
And
up with
usually
something.
they
no?
get rug pulled like sometimes like yun nga yung ano ba yung Haktua, the girl?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, di
She
ba?
got
Yeah.
sued. People are
Yeah.
looking
Kasi pinopromote niya na.
she was yeah.
Right.
Okay, so you're your event was you're pushing for this to be like a regular thing, parang ganun. Kasi we already have Alipay,
Yeah, but then
Gcash.
pero
Yeah.
ano kaya yung parang may disadvantage din if parang ma-regulate yung crypto 'di ba?
Yeah.
I think bababa yung value din kasi there's a lot of process that crypto has to go through 'di ba? Para ma-regulate.
Yeah, it has to go through like Senate hearings,
Yeah.
Congress. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, it's gonna be expensive if you regulate pa talaga yung
Yeah.
crypto. At may downside din kasi if you use crypto like sometimes it is used in shady
It is.
transactions.
Yeah, like the dark
Yeah,
web.
kasi
Like in the dark web.
ano ba yan? Wala bang trace yun? If you, for
Yeah,
example,
untraceable siya eh.
there you go.
Oh.
So yun yung ginagamit na currency sa dark web. May mga
Ah.
bibilhin ka dun.
So doon bumibili si Dinky. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I have to say it.
So
I'm sorry.
yun. Sa dark web guys is like hindi ko nga alam how to access it but
Ako rin, hinanap
yeah,
ko
available,
yun eh. How?
No.
nandun yun yung mga
my specific
Yeah.
browser.
Can it
for
change
that.
right.
Oh, okay.
So na parang sa mga
Oh, di ba may
illegal
browser
stuff
for that?
Yeah.
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 Ah, okay.
Kasi
Kaya pala.
dapat untraceable yung IP, yung mga ganun.
Yeah.
Wow.
But okay, since we're talking about mga ito na, that's like the future. That's the future of how we do things.
Yeah.
Right.
But
The
that
future
one
of how we do things in the future.
that one is that the regular job you were talking about? Or
No,
iba
it's-
din yan?
Iba din
I
yan.
think venture niya to.
Wow.
So Kevin now is a venture capitalist.
Wow.
Oh, big word.
Big word.
Big word, huh?
We're in college now.
Guy.
Big
Damn.
word.
But anyways, yun nga kasi timing lang kasi for past few days I've been parang
Reading.
or parang
Browsing.
na stuck ako sa rabbit hole nitong mga the future ng mga
Yeah.
stuff like
AI.
'di ba Nvidia ano ba Nvidia ba yan?
Yeah, the gaming
Yeah.
company.
Yeah, and they came up with this this chip for supercomputer.
Yeah.
At ngayon may si Microsoft meron na rin.
Yeah.
So so the future is parang yun yung pinag-usapan natin isang araw. And si Heisey may tendency yan siya na parang hindi siya kagad a-agree. Parang default niya na parang hindi pwedeng umagree ako sa'yo. Parang gusto niya lang talaga ako i-challenge. Kasi yun nga yung parang technology is super bilis.
Yeah.
Super bilis
I think they're holding off nga di ba?
No, they're not. I thought na they're, 'di ba?
They should be, right?
'Di ba Elon Musk yung in-interview sa Joe Rogan, he was like calling for people to slow down with AI. But wala eh. Mas ang bilis na ngayon and I saw this sa TikTok the other day, this 11-year-old kid made an animation AI lang.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
11-year-old.
11-year-old and his dad.
O tinulungan siya ng content, what website, kasi maraming website eh. Mga 5 AI na website to make the music, to animate it, and ganyan. But yun yung sinasabi ko kay Heisey na nakikita ko ng mga jobs na mawawala. And I think the only job ang matitira is yung mga blue collar,
Yeah, yung mga manual labor lang.
manual, and kasi parang
Example.
No,
for the
not even manual
viewers.
labor because that can be replaced
sige,
by
sinong magtatayo ng bahay mo?
robotics. Mga
No,
ganun
may
na yan.
mga
Mga
ano
cranes
na.
na lang yan. Pak,
Oh,
pak,
yeah,
pak, pak,
Like
pak.
3D printers na
Yeah,
malalaki.
but that's still like 10 years away.
Exactly. But then,
But I'm talking about like next year kasi ngayon pa lang nagawa na nila yung chip for the quantum computer. So I just understood lang kanina ano pala yung pinagkaiba ng supercomputer ng quantum computer because of the bits, 'di ba? Like 1 zeros, then parang yun lang. But sa quantum computer is they can handle thousands of bits at the same time. So kayang i-compute ng quantum computer, it will take a supercomputer 25 years to compute something, 5 minutes lang sa quantum computer.
Right.
And ang fear doon, some of the, I'm not saying mga mga ano ba tawag dito, yung mga yung nagsi-theorize mga shit, yung mga paranoid na. So if kaya nang gawin ng quantum computer yun, so it's easy for a quantum computer to hack, kunwari, nuclear. Kasi kaya niya nang i-compute yung combination like to activate something, 'di ba? And yung mga chip ninyo yung ginagamit na for robots, for AI. And one time nga, 'di ba, sa Google they have this problem na yung yung AI nila nag-usap,
Oo nga.
'di ba? Nag-usap yung AI nila.
Talking to each other.
And
Learning from each other.
and may sarili silang language.
Yeah.
So that's the scary part. And one time may isa pang ano bang company yun, yung AI niya is tinanong, random na question and nagbiro. Isipin mo nagbiro yung AI na to end all human race.
Oh,
Tapos
shit.
binawi niya na parang
That's-
I'm just kidding.
That's fucked up.
How can I, 'di ba? So it's technically more like sentient being na siya na parang kaya niya mag-joke ng ganun.
Yeah, in a way, it's still one gapon. Like it's like
Far away? Pero ano? What do you mean?
yeah, but like
No, man. I don't think it's that far from I kasi gaya ng sinabi ko kay Heisey, there are evil people there na parang pag
Will take
sinabihan mo na parang
advantage.
wag muna masyadong they will push the limit Gawa na tayo
Yeah,
ng
of
robot
course, kasi
ngayon.
gusto nilang mauna. Because it's still business.
Yeah, pero
It's
yun nga,
money.
pero hindi prepared yung mga tao. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanya na dapat kasi regulate yun para prepared yung mga tao na anong magi-engineer pa ba ako ngayon kasi pag-graduate ko ng 5 years obsolete na pala yun.
Wala nang architect.
Magko-computer engineer pa ba ako ngayon kasi baka in 5 years hindi ko na kailangan,
Prompt
obsolete na yun.
engineer.
prompt engineer.
Yun na,
lang
di ba?
eh.
Yun, prompt engineer na. So, magtanong kang regular na tao, ano yung prompt engineer?
For now, of course.
Yeah, that's
maraming
that's
wala
what I'm
na.
saying. But that's what I'm saying po. Kailan malalaman ng mga tao? Because everybody is on their cell phone.
Well, they
Pero
will
mostly walang nanonood ng mga ganun. Ang pinapanood nila yung mga chismis. Unfortunately, especially sa mga Pilipino na parang dun lang sila masaya makichismis and hindi
Well,
nila alam.
those mga chismoso, ang wala talagang...
Dapat mamatay na yun sila. Mga ganun, no?
wala talagang malalaman about those things na ayaw nilang i-research.
Adi
Like,
yun,
I'm gonna go back to your yung
Yeah.
quantum computer na
Quantum.
makakapag-hack. Of course, there will also be parang defense niyan.
Hmm.
So, there's this mega na
eh,
computer for defense naman na dapat hindi for security.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, I understand.
So,
But-
balance
Pero
naman
isipin
yapon
mo
yata.
ngayon isang Pinoy lang. Paano niya na-hack yung NASA?
Is
Yung
that I love you virus?
di
Yeah,
ba?
I love you virus,
Diba?
yeah.
So,
Amazing.
ang laking damage na nagawa niya. Oo, of course, makakagawa ka ng pangdepensa doon sa mga evil people. But
After
it's going to be, kasi ganun naman you will, gagawa ka ng remedy pag nagkaroon na
Yeah.
ng problema. So,
Pero I think people are wiser now. Hindi na sila
I don't think so.
manipulate.
Yung pag-asa na lang siguro natin is to have faith in the scientists and the people developing AI.
Boo! Nag-give up na kagad.
Hindi,
Ano pa naman?
kasi wala tayong magagawa niyan
What do we have sa natin, sa education right now? May mga curriculums ba na ganyan?
Wala.
Wala
Like,
pa.
for us,
So, dapat meron.
dapat
It should
yun.
start there.
But it's not entirely non-existing though. Yung DTI is actually
I've read.
yeah.
Oo, mga data science, mga ganun nag-offer
DTI
sila.
is actually doing something about AI. Like
Yeah.
na sila kanang kuan sa jud. They have programs but
Yes.
budget has to be pumped more into it rather than because
Balik na sa
oh
government
my
And
kami.
also, when it comes to education regarding AI, it's right under your, the palm of your hands.
yes, if you
You just have to
know-
do your own research.
the
Naturally.
problem is people don't know where to look for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can't be so naive
Yeah.
na parang, ano yan, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
di natin, tulad na ito, simpleng mga problema lang. Nag-umpisa, di ba? Like for example, the pandemic. Nag-umpisa lang yun, may isang siraulong kumain ng paniki at tangina, nangyari na.
Di na
Di, no,
Yan yun.
what I meant is, there's this one idiot lang
It only takes one idiot.
Yeah, one idiot to ruin it for everybody.
Yeah, that's what happened with Hitler, di ba? It only takes one dude.
Exactly. So, yun yung point
Kick
ko.
him out of art class.
Diba?
Diba?
Kasi at least,
That's how it
diba? At least kasi, dati, yung tinawag nila dating unang panahon ng mga antichrist or antichrist, diba? Napoleon, Hitler, or whoever, they were like people in power. Alam mo, mga matatalino yan, or mga, Ngayon kasi, if you go to the internet, ang daming engot dyan, mga, alam mo na, dominating, making money out of stupidity.
Mm.
So may isang stupid lang dyan, na parang, na-discover ko tong ganito, tas, could make a huge mistake and could ruin it for everybody. What I'm saying is, technology is so user-friendly.
Yeah.
Kasi dati, di ba, parang, ito na lang simple sa atin. Parang it's alien para sa atin na parang, paano kaya gumawa ng music video? Or paano kaya mag-record ng song? All of a sudden, ganun lang kadali, di ba? Kaya mong gawin sa phone mo. Ngayon, kaya na nilang gumawa ng whole song without even having a talent para magkaroon na
AI nga, di ba? Pwede.
Yeah, di ba? So isipin mo kung ganun ka-available yung AI na kaya niya mag-hack, kaya niya kasi bibilis kasi palakas kasi ng palakas yung technology, yung computer. And of course, may isang idiot doon na could do something harmful for everybody. Yun yung kinakatakutan ko ba na parang so available. If you think of it, internet, it was a military, di ba? Dati.
Yeah. Ang internet was...
So what's your point? Like, gusto mo i-regulate the usage of internet and
I'm not saying,
information?
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying na situation. What I'm parang
You're
scared of.
Oh, lagi. Pero that's circumstantially. So, what do you propose?
Well, I'm not proposing anything. Dude, can't I just tell you or a scenario?
Oo nga,
Di ba
lagi.
ako pwedeng magkwento sa'yo na
Hindi,
pwedeng
kasi
mangyari?
pag ikaw kasi nagkwento ng senaryo, may ano kay.
Kailan?
Always.
Di ba? Your solutions ba?
Oo.
Like,
Conclusions.
so do you have solutions in mind? So what? So at this time sa yan na scenario, ano yung?
No, 'di ba? Kaya ako nga inumpisahan kanina na parang 'di ba Elon Musk was doing this parang call for parang we have to slow down but nobody's listening.
Yeah.
And
He's just saying that. Pero siya naman yata nagilid ng
medyo hypocrisy nga kasi ngayon na pinupush
Yeah.
niya yung robot meron na siya.
Oo, baka you
Slowing
have to
down
slow
para
down.
siya yung-
Para siya yung, 'di ba? I think
He's a
The problem there
businessman.
is it's all about greed din eh. Yung
Yeah.
parang
and if you think about it,
dapat tayo
dapat
yung
ako yung
una.
mo-
eto
Oh,
medyo
yeah.
magdi-deviate ako magdi-deviate ako kasi mahilig ako magkwento. 'Di ba? Tulad nung yung Man of Steel, ang daming nagalit doon sa Lex Luthor na karakter. Kasi daw ang layo sa Lex Luthor.
Nerd.
Si Jesse Heisenberg.
Dude, that's what's happening now. Revenge of the Nerd.
Exactly.
Revenge of the Nerds.
He's the perfect villain kasi yun yung mga future villain,
Yeah.
yung mga tech giants. And if you look at Elon Musk, pag yan isang araw nasira ulo niyan at na-realize niya na I can actually destroy this whole country. I can actually attack
Yeah.
Korea.
Actually, medyo scary na nga eh. Kasi
Diba?
yung may nag-Hitler sign na nga siya eh.
Oh, di ba?
Di ba? Nakita mo yun? Yung video na naka-Hitler sign siya.
Red flag na, di ba? No pun intended.
yung Hitler salute.
Diba?
No pun intended. Yeah, red flag nyo yun.
Di ba? Pero
Hindi
Yung
ako
parang,
sure
uy, what
if
the
that
F?
was intentional or...
Di ba? Yung parang,
Hindi,
what
was.
the F?
For sure.
Napanood ko yun. Kasi nakita ko lang kay Elon
Parang
Musk.
nadala na siya sa emotion niya eh.
Hindi,
Na parang,
nakakatawa kasi siya. Parang alam mo yung siya yung nerd lang talaga na may gesture niya, hindi niya alam. Pero inulit-ulit niya kasi parang,
hindi
no,
yun.
man.
Hindi yun, intentional yun.
Yeah, so, you see?
I don't think
you see,
so, dude. I don't think so.
Parang deep inside him, he has this parang God complex.
Yeah.
So, yun ang sinasabi ko. Natatakot ako dun sa medyo mga idiots na could ruin it. Parang tulad nung isang taong kumain ng paniki at nagka-COVID tayong lahat. At saka sa yung
Yan nga.
polar opposite niya na super genius.
Yeah.
Na, kasi ang dali maging evil eh. Totoo lang. Let's be honest. It's so easy to be a bad person than being
Then be
nice
a good one.
with
Yeah.
with with all of this happening sa society,
Yeah.
I'm trying my best to be a good person. Every time nagmamaneho ako, lalabas ako, I'm trying to be nice, but it's so difficult. Jesus Christ. Ang hirap. Diba? Parang gusto kong sagasaan lahat ng move it. Parang, diba? Parang, I can't help myself. Parang hindi nagkataon.
Sinabi niya talaga yung company.
Can we flip that?
Hindi, totoo. Ito, move it. Ang ina nyo. Yung mga driver nyo, disiplinahin nyo. Pero what I'm saying, di ba? Parang yun. Parang it's so difficult. But yun lang sinasabi ko. I'm not saying na parang may solusyon. Isa yun sa, totoo lang, di ko naman siguro aabutin na yun. Baka maabutan
But
ko.
you're saying it's really happening very fast.
Hindi,
Oh,
what
no.
Malay mo.
Yeah, yeah.
By that time, off the grid na tayo. Kaya di ba? Kaya nga natin pinaplano yung off the grid para wala na tayong
Yun yung parang
technology.
fear niya ba? Fear niya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi ito
Oo,
pa nga lang.
ano talaga,
Kailan ba?
that's scary.
Kailan ba yung asteroid attack natin?
On 2032.
Oh yeah, malapit na. Sana tamaan yung mga building ng movie.
Uy!
No, I'm just kidding.
Meron pa ba kaya ganun?
I think more on like, kuhan siguro, dapat may preemptive measures ba? Sa mga ganyan ba, no?
Yun lang yun.
Ayun, mga preemptive measures ba? So,
And you know what's scary about it? Like everyone in tech bitaw karon, I think they're in full overdrive. Like grabe ang ilang like ang progress jud nila. Like we used to say like sa una like kanang like if there's a new invention, right? Like we're gonna say like this is gonna be good in like 5 years. But right now when you say 5 years, like it just takes months lang with months. Oh, nigawas na tong ang kuan. What you thought about it? Like nga na ba? Like, grabe kayo ang progress karon. Like everyone in tech is in overdrive jud karon.
So,
Like,
kaya nga,
ikabutan ng
Revenge of the Nerds.
maka-invent na sa, ma-release na ng whatever tech that's new, mas mupaspas na sa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba, nag-umpisa lang yun nung na-discover nila yung rechargeable battery na maliit.
Yeah.
And everything is all of a sudden lumiit na. Cellphone, di ba? Cellphone bigla. Uy, naglabasan ng cellphone. Doon lang.
all they needed to invent was a mobile battery
or a battery
na
that
hindi
could,
na kailangan i-plug.
that could last and could recharge. Doon lang nag-umpisa yun and everything went to ano na, di ba? So yun yung sinasabi
Kaya
ko.
ko asa na pa doon ang conversation. Kaya nag-battery naman. So lithium, right? So rare earth metal.
Yeah.
Kinsa may ka nag-supply sa rare earth metal sa tibok kalibutan, like majority of it, not di po tanan but majority of it.
China.
China na.
Uy! Yeah, di ba?
Kiara loves China.
Nakita na ako ang kuhan ako.
Yun. O, di ba? Ito.
Hindi, padong tagbohol.
Ito. Iliko mo. Yeah, there's a connection there. With this conflict and people starting to hate China and etong conflict between superpowers, and we all know na this country, meron sila nun. Tapos bibisitin mo pa. Huwag yung bisitin yun, di ba? Ngayon, may nabasa na ko na Japan, may na-discover din sila mga rare
Rare earth metal.
Yeah.
That's good kasi,
Yeah.
di ba? Pero but the thing pa rin is yun na yung mga next superpowers. It's not about kung sino yung may mga nuclear warheads. Because iba superpowers before kasi kung sino yung may nuclear warheads, sila yung superpower. Soviet Union, Amerika. Walang naniniwala na ang North Korea meron sila. Maski dinidisplay nila, meron din kami.
Yun nga eh.
Itong ilang rocket gawa, ilupad na si The Earth King.
Diba?
Kaya gusto ko rin may rare earth metal din tayo dito sa Pilipinas. ba, no?
Marami tayong rare.
Pero yung dito pag nagdig ka, tae lang eh. Meron.
Oy.
Marami tayong exotic
listen,
dito.
listen.
Rare.
Walang rare
Ito.
earth metal.
Uy,
Tae ng tao eh.
Uy, eto, may sabihin ako sa inyo. I don't know kung it's parang secret ba to. Ayoko sabihin. Basta, yung tropa natin na may lupa sa Mindanao.
Oh, yeah.
Sige. Diba? Binili yung lupa nila.
No, it's not bili. Rent lang, I
Oh,
think.
Lease.
Lease lang.
For a reason na, kasi,
Because of rare earth metal.
oy, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Sige, natatawa ka.
Yes.
Ito ha. Alam mo ba yung corruption na nangyayari sa Pilipinas go beyond this dynasty and yung, di ba? Kaya nakakatawa yung mga Pinoy. So funny na they're so patriotic na galit sila na inaagaw na ng China yung Philippine Sea or yan. Pero hindi nila alam, somewhere in Mindanao, may mga rare earth tayo doon na binebenta sa China. And may living proof tayo kasi yung isang tropa natin, may lupa doon.
Na nililis yung
Nililis
lupa.
nila, na
Kasi-
binubungkag.
They're digging for
They're
those.
digging.
Diba?
Yeah.
And my
And maraming nakuha.
yeah.
I think may nagsabi, I think si Duterte ba yun na puri kayo ng worry na yung sa China yung masasakop sa yung Philippines Sea, that the Philippines was already sold a long
Yeah.
time ago.
Right.
Everything is just like a distraction
Yeah,
from
so-
the real.
so-
It
from
was
the
sold
real,
already.
So yun yung funny and
Love your Chinese overlords.
oh yes, di ba?
But I love China. I
I'm
love your
Chinese,
food.
Chinese.
Right.
Oh, di ba? Di ba? Yun lang nakakatawa, di ba? Sino ba yung pinakamayamang tao
There's
sa
a term
Pilipinas?
for that eh.
Chinese eh. Ba?
Yeah.
Tapos
Distraction, mga ganun.
anong
I forgot. Okay, go.
but yun nga, di ba? So
Oh, na-distracted ako.
Yeah, yeah.
yun yung parang I'm not saying na yun nga going back to your questioning mo na what
What do you think is the solution for that?
or
What
what
do you propose?
what
are
am
you
I proposing?
proposing?
I'm not proposing anything. I'm just parang wala ko yun, kwentuhan lang, naisip ko lang din yun kasi 'di ba in the future yung may iwan kasi yung mga anak natin. May future ba sila sa Pilipinas? Ano bang mangyayari? Kasi right now, it's getting worse. Parang wala kang nafe-feel na hope ba? Parang if you're trying to cling something na marag, may pag-asa pa pero hindi wala eh. Wala ba? And it's getting worse. And
Yeah, and
syempre,
we
we
have
have
Should we tell Kiara to nabilisan niya yung pagpapasok sa UN?
ayun, isa pa. 'Di ba? And it's sad lang ba?
We have this running joke sa mga friends sa pud nako balik kanang like uwawa jud mapinoy karon eh.
Exactly.
Lagi.
Like
Wow eh.
like even
Ay, uwaw,
Sa mga
kaya-
corny friends mo?
Na-imagine ko si Kev, habang umiinom ng pineapple juice.
Nakakahiya talaga magiging Pinoy. Dude.
Dude, nakakahiya yung magiging Filipino, dude.
Right.
We've talked about that when Kiara was still in school. Kasi international relations, di ba?
Yeah.
And pag na-mention talaga yung Philippines, so all eyes on her kasi she's a Filipino. And then,
She's the only Filipino sa
Oo,
class.
Tapos why is your president like that? Why is your country like that? I'm sorry, I'm not my country. Tapos nagsusumbong siya.
I am not my country.
Yeah, I am not my country.
It's so hard for her to defend daw. According to her, it's so
Like,
hard to defend. Kasi, for example, at that time, katong panahon ni Duterte, na about the human rights violation.
Oh yeah, yung drug.
Siyempre, human relations yung courts na, so yun yung topic. Then,
International relations.
international relations and
International law is part
yeah,
of it.
yun. Part of that is international law. So, parang nakikita lagi na grabe yung paglabag or paglabag
Violate
ng
sa human rights.
sa law. So, it scares me lang ba for the future na mga pamangkin na parang kasi siyempre hindi naman ramdam na nung bata tayo pakialam ba natin sa mga gobyerno, di ba? Narantil nung nagka-business kami, doon namin na-realize yung grabe yung red
Corruption.
tape, yung
Corruption, yeah.
yung corruption na you have this certain group of people under your payroll, kung hindi they will take away something, hasslein kayo. Diba? So it's heartbreaking ba na I can't imagine na parang future our families ba na mo go through yan. Siyempre aim naman ng iba is magpayaman and good luck, 'di ba? Parang mas madaling
What if in the future wala nang politicians then everyone is robots
AI?
na AI na.
naku po,
Your AI
hindi ba
overlord.
budgetan ng gobyerno yan? Parang
Actually, come
No,
to
there
think
will
of
be
it,
one kung ana. Wala na.
AI would be fair because wala silang emotions. Eh.
Programs yan eh. They have rules and
Yeah,
everything.
and it's all about logic
Uy,
na.
and baka
Ang
ano.
problema sa dana kay wala sila emotions, right? Like it's easy for them to like eliminate problems. And
Yeah.
if they qualify people as problems, they're gonna
Eliminate.
eliminate.
Yeah, yun lang.
Yeah, and also, wala nang government per country. There's only one. One world, one government, one rule.
One AI.
one AI.
Ganun
Galing,
siguro
no?
ang mangyayari.
Wala mo ba to katungkuan?
The Matrix.
Uy, Skynet.
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 Yun, di ba? Yun yung what's happening actually right now. Parang if you watch that movie, Terminator, Parang, you know.
Hindi na siya masyadong lagpas ngayon, no? Dati parang,
Parang,
Imposible.
science fiction.
Ngayon, wow.
my
Reference na nga siya eh. Na,
Short
diba?
future na ba?
Ano sa mo ka na ba kay grabe kayo kanang ang ChatGPT mag-release lang bag-o nga kuan nga version. And the old version was like kuan siya, aware siya nga padung sa kuan pulihan.
Oh, papalitan siya.
Oh, ang gibuhat niya. Iyang gitry og replicate iyang self. Nagipangutana siya, namakak pa dyan siya. Magita, it's all over the news, man. Like, what the fuck?
I mean,
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yung
talking
mga
about.
AI kasi, they only feed on what's online. Diba? Naman i-gather tanan ng mga info. So, part of that na, si may sarcasm, feelings, i-discuss diha. So, makuha sa
And
dila.
if you think about it, AI kasi, yung brain niya is buong internet.
Yeah.
That's a mixture of mga batasan sa mga tao and everything, every opinion, good or bad. What works for him or her, whatever is
What works for it?
what what works for it.
Funny, gusto niya, tag-AI man niya kung kaya kay work diri. ChatGPT ga.
Shame!
Shame.
Shame!
Well, like, I mean, like, karon bitaw, like, I am in this digital nga space bitaw, even at work, like, karon kuan. Ang crypto is like, dili mo dyan na siya, ang kuan yun ako good, like, it's like an endeavor lang ba? Like, my work right now is with digital marketing, with design, mga nga na. And I've worked with this company nga, pihan nila mo gamit og AI, like, when it comes to designing by, like, kanang kuan. Like, they're gonna put out, like, banners, ads para sa ilang company ba?
Puro AI na lang.
AI kuan, but they're still gonna be needing kuan kanang designers like me, like di butang
Okay,
ko ang
yeah.
mga words nga na, kaya di man
Yeah,
sila
kaya di
katarong
man
og butang
perfect
og
yun.
words.
Oo,
Pero
dili.
ang i-generate nga kuan to nga image for that,
Yeah.
what the fuck? Like
Yeah.
kanang makakuha na nila ba, and they've been kind of spending money to kuan ba kanang
Oo.
it doesn't mean that I'm still out of a job, but kanang kuan ba, like
Kasi you have
designers
to
like
adapt,
me,
Manggol.
yeah, you have to
diba?
adapt, like kanang kuan, like kanang mo ito prompt lang yun ba, like
Yes.
there's this research from Microsoft nga ang AI daw kuno makawaha kuno kanang critical thinking daw kuno sa usa ka tawo. Well,
Yeah, if we rely too much,
yeah, pero kato siya nga kato researcher, I think kanang kwento siya kanang murag taphaw lang gani, kuan lang siya surface level yung nahibawan sa AI tingali, because if you've been using AI, ang critical thinking nimo, like for example kung writing ka, of course you're not gonna write ato gina padong sa kuan sa ang AI na ang job na sa AI, but your critical thinking is focused elsewhere, which is kuan sa katong paghimo sa prompts,
Prompt.
like how you craft your prompts ba,
Yes.
like
I
to
agree.
get that to have a like
Yeah.
efficient na ang kuan ba kanang ang results nga na.
So,
Dili man gyapon mawa na ba, that's the
But
same
what
thing they
if
said
in
about
the-
the calculator bitaw.
Yeah.
Everybody said
Wala
like
akong
you're gonna be like stupid if kanang naa
Yan
calculator.
yung
right? Like,
sabi ko kay Dice na people will still be needed because they'll be the one to give the
Oh,
prompt.
pero
Yeah, yeah.
gaano kahirap para sa AI ang gumawa ng prompt for himself?
He can't.
It
Because
can't.
someone
Really?
has to
Yeah,
give
yeah,
it to
yeah,
it.
Alam ko na medyo hindi pa yan. But if you think about it, naisip nyo ba yung ChatGPT na yan na mangyayari yan?
If mas self-aware na dyan
Diba?
siya.
Yeah, but not right now.
Oh, like, yun yung sinasabi
Because it
ko.
needs the prompts right
kaya,
now.
Kaya hindi mo pwedeng
So, I don't
sabihin
know
na
when until when.
hindi pwede mangyari.
Yeah, ChatGPT is aware that it's been asked that a lot of times.
Hindi kasi,
So
yun, diba?
not right now. Hindi pa niya alam.
Kasi kung pag-uusapan lang natin kung what is happening right now with the technology, wala tayong choice. We have to accept it. And di pa naman tayo masyadong apektado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I'm parang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung gano'n, kasi like you said, it's so, parang ang bilis. Ang bilis, they parang nagmamadali sila for what?
Yeah.
Why are you guys so in a hurry to develop this
The
thing?
last time nga ingani in fervor, like kanang ingani sila ka kanang murag kuan in a hurry to do something about it kay was katong race sa katong kuan, katong the race to the moon sa Russia o
Yeah,
sa USA.
exactly.
ba?
And there are,
But to what
there are-
end? Murag ni ana
diba,
ba?
there are even rumors na hindi totoo yun.
Fake.
But I sa mga conspiracy theories dyan, nakapunta talaga sa moon. It's not bullshit because India, they have their version of NASA. Say NASA sa India.
Iyasa?
Aladdin. They have their own NASA. They have their own NASA.
So silent.
And the thing about sa space probe sa India, they went to the dark side of the moon. Kumbaga naikot nila and nakita nila yung
Flag.
the craft na gamit nila ni ano.
Okay.
So may picture sila. So lahat ng conspiracy theories diyan.
Na-debunk.
Yeah, shove it up your ass, the picture.
Shut the fuck up.
Diba? Shut the fuck up, diba? Kasi
Parehas na sa mga flat earthers.
Oh
my God,
Isa pa
yeah.
yan. Alam mo,
For another episode.
yan ang pinaka aksayado o kasabugo na tao na parang,
For everyone, bugo means bobo.
di ba? Flat earth, tapos payag ka ang moon bilog. Yung mga flat earthers para sa kanila.
Tapos yung moon below.
Oh, di ba? I don't get it. But anyways, yun yung sinasabi ko ba kasi syempre, we're still hoping pa ba na you know, in the future na our kids na parang bang they will survive life na fair ba?
Yeah.
Ang qualms ko lang naman kasi maski bobo kasi kayang gamitin yung or evil person kayang gamitin yung technology na yun kasi super user friendly. That's what I'm saying, 'di ba? So it parang I felt relieved na you have to be a good prompt engineer or a prompt what do you ever call
Prompt
that?
giver, engineer.
Yeah, 'di ba? To create na a good one, a good AI or a good
There'll be certain levels siguro of an AI na for everyone's access lang.
yeah. But still,
Diba?
but
Based on IQ level.
Based on IQ level, again.
actually pinag-usapan nga namin.
Entrance exam. Hanggang dito ka lang.
So yun yung dapat na preemptive measure.
Yun.
Sa prompts
dapat.
ba no na parang ganito dapat yung pwede mag-operate or
Yeah,
something.
kasi the fact lang na whoever invented the dark web, bakit? Para saan?
Ang
Illegal.
tagal na ng dark
Hindi
web
na-
na yan
Di ba? Kumbaga,
Diba?
para saan yan? Why do you have to create such a thing? Di ba? For what? So, may mga devious na purposes yun.
Yeah.
So, how are we, parang, gano'n tayo ka-sure na this technology na we're enjoying right now, na parang super user-friendly na it won't go to the wrong
It's
hands?
not that user-friendly kasi ako, I've never been to that dark web.
No.
I was trying to access that, but how? Hindi
No,
ko alam.
and I'm not even saying that dark web. Yung AI na lang
Yun
mismo.
nga eh.
Diba,
Kung yung
maski
dark
na-
web nga, it's not accessible from everyone. Diba?
No,
So,
no,
eto, hindi rin to.
Hindi. Matututunan mo yan, ikaw pa. Alam mo yan, pero what I'm saying, ito na lang, simple. Deepfake. Mas gumaganda ang deepfake. Ngayon, nakita mo na yung Arnold Schwarzenegger na meme. Diba? Diba? Yung kumanta siya ng Harry Potter, yung na Arnold. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, ganun nakalinis ba? So, yun yung sinasabi ko, yun yung concern ko na ngayon pa lang daghan na bisag, di ba ikaw magkana nakaipakita, may pinapakita sa akin. Tinan mo to dado, ang cute nung ko. AI yan siya. Ha? O AI yan. Di ba? So, di ba?
And the problem bitaw karon kay kanang like kabila sa kanang mga idara na bitaw maglisod sila o kanang differentiate kung unsa may kanang AI and what's not. Like,
Yeah, actually.
yeah, and then
Like I think after our generation, I like the generation before us, maglisod na.
Wala na. Pag pinakita mo yung
Yung
lola-
mama ko wala na, hindi
Oo.
niya alam.
Di ba? So, diba, mailad na ba? And it's very sad na.
napajud karon nga kuan like kanang like video ha nga like usbo nila ang unsay istorya and the voice by like
Yeah.
you could fake like kuan like a video like claiming nga kanang he did this, he said this to me.
Kahit nga yung mga interview, yung mga interviews ni Elon Musk.
Maraming nasa scam abroad
tungkol na,
kasi
yeah.
kahit FaceTime o video
Yeah.
calls.
Yeah, I've seen that nga kanang murag
Diba?
kadung feel up tiguang niya kahuman kay uyab daw niya si Brad Pitt ba to? Oh boy.
Yeah.
Kaya siya
Kawawa
daw
siya.
sa kwarto ito kay nasakit lagi daw si Brad Pitt. I need money.
Napanood ko yan.
Gamit yung AI.
Uy, kay bay.
So dapat, yung mga matatanda, wag na kayong mag-cellphone. No?
Preemptive measures.
Yun yung,
Yeah,
Preemptive
siguro.
measure ba?
yun yung the sad part ba? Eh, syempre, of
Kita
course,
lang Facebook ng matanda. sorry.
wala na dapat sila, no?
No, wala na.
Actually, dahil mas scam.
Kasi masascam lang eh. Kawawa eh. Not for the reason na hate natin yung matanda, but for their own
Protection.
protection ba?
Safety.
Sige.
Yeah,
Dapat may Facebook lang, Facebook Plus. Yung para sa mga sila lang
our
talaga
case.
nandun. Wala mga scammers. Sila lang talaga. Mga friends nila.
O dapat may ID. Ano yan?
No?
SSID.
SSID. We don't know, pero murag
For safe sila ba?
safe sila, regulated ang ilang
No?
ano. Nindot sila nga preventive.
Actually, dapat nung umpisa pa lang eh. Yung
live
social
talaga.
media pa lang, umpisa
Ano yung gusto mo?
umpisa pa lang nung na-invento yung Facebook, dapat may ano ka eh, may exam ka eh. Na parang
IQ.
may IQ exam ka. Tapos may certain stage ka lang, uy, eto medyo mababa IQ.
Hindi pa pwedeng mag-comment yan.
May mga ano ba na, uy, hindi pwede mag-comment. Pwede ka lang pwede ka lang mag-like, diba?
Nasa nasturyada sa kong migo sa like kanang mag-drunk text bitaw ka. Like kanang if kanang mo-open ka Facebook na kubog ka. Kung sag na puzzle ba kung hubog ka dito ka kalagin di ba? So dili ka makamaoy text, di ka maka
That's a good app, di ba?
Drunk call.
For drunk.
dili ka
Drunk
maka
dial.
For drunk dialing.
di ka maka-ingon sa imong ex, I miss you.
Agoy. Diba, di ba? Kasi kung i-regulate talaga yung mga everything that we put out there. Kasi who would have thought na ang social media can be dangerous to
Yeah, but then it's
to
Even
people?
the internet.
It's all about the
Yeah.
money. If you regulate, less revenue.
Yeah.
Di, wow.
It's all about the money. It's all about their bottom lines kasi.
No. Again.
What do you mean no? That's the reality.
I'm not arguing with you.
Oh.
Ang sinasabi ko ba na, okay, sige, give in lang tayo sa ganun. Kasi yun nga lang. Yun. Ang ako naman, medyo, in a perfect world ba, sana ganun. Hindi ko naman pinipilit. Huwag niyo naman ako barahin kagad na parang, kasi pera yan eh. Parang, pera-pera lang yan.
They made those
Yeah, I
apps
understand.
obviously for the
Pera
money.
naman talaga. Pero yung conversation natin ngayon is about, sana ganun.
Yeah.
Diba kasi, parang, sino ba ako? Hirap nga ako mag-troubleshoot ng laptop ko pag nasisira. Tapos, eto, nagreklamo ako dito na dapat yan ito.
Tech guru.
Diba? What I'm just saying, kasi kung ganun yung mentality na ito na, wala tayong mabuhat, ana. Kwartara na. Ay, wala tayong mabuhat. Nga naman, Jud. Ing ana man tong gobyerno. Ing ana to. So, ing ana na tong mentality and papracticein natin yan hanggang sa anak natin, wala na. Diba? So if at least ba natin critical thinking ba?
Yeah.
At least yung conversation na ganito, sana may makarinig, may isang ano diyan narinig niya. O nga no.
But I think that's what's good sa generation Kiara.
Ano, mabilis sila mag-cancel?
The woke.
The woke.
The woke culture.
The woke culture.
But there's also an upside kasi to that dude eh. I understand your point. And this is good exercise for your brain na.
and heart.
This is good exercise for your brain na.
Passionate kasi guys, no wala mo.
Like point what's the problem with this and what's the problem with that. But the upside to that is sometimes kasi sorry. Sometimes kasi we just have to deal with something that we can resolve.
Pick our battles or
Not pick our battles,
or
but
stay lang sa atong lane.
no, not stay in our lane, but you should just put that same energy na lang on things that are within your control.
Yeah.
Yeah, but,
Wait.
but the
Teka.
fact is we're just discussing Mangga.
Yeah.
Diba?
This is a discussion.
No. You're shutting me down for something na parang you think that I'm speaking towards na murabag parang I'm trying to start a revolution here. No, man.
No, I'm not shutting you down.
No, I'm just saying lang. Conversation lang nato kay, 'di ba? 'Di ba? If murag share lang nato ba na dapat ganun. Like I understand. Sa atin, lagi niyo ako na may misunderstood na I'm rude. Na dude, you're so rude. Because of kanang pag nagbabanter ako sa sasakyan or nabibwisit ako. But you think may magagawa talaga ako sa mga move it dyan or sa mga yung mga kupal sa daan, wala. Pero ang sarap lang sabihin ba?
Okay.
Kasi ayokong i-keep lang 'yon, 'di ba? Tulad ngayon, sinasabi ko yung posible kasi gusto ko rin ma-realize ng iba or kung may mag-agree, may sa 5 diyan may nag-agreeing isa na may point din si Dice doon na pwedeng manggano, pero wala ako sinasabing may solusyon ako doon or parang you have to like what you're trying to say that I guess you have to live with that. Like that. No, do I have a choice? Wala man. Okay, choice. Wala tayong choice.
Yeah,
dito.
wala talaga tayong
But
choice.
I think we have a freedom to talk about it sa podcast na to. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
And is to share it. But I know I can't do anything. Ako po, wala akong magagawa.
Yeah, that part of the Juan is very stressful. Kaya siguro may mga taong off the grid, walang internet, walang anything.
Yeah, kasi it's bad for them din na parang
They keep stressing
they
on
always think about
something na
it's okay na
they can't
yung
do
ganun, you have to
anything.
express it like dito sa podcast na ina-express mo, pero may mga tao kasi na may mga tao kasi na parang yun na lang lagi yung tinitink nila ba. You know? Even if sa normal days nila, yun na lang palagi yung thinking nila ba, na instead of focusing on the problems that they can resolve, they focus on the problems nga mga walang solusyon kasi they're frustrated about it. Gets mo yung point ko din, right? Di mo gets? Bakit di mo gets?
Hindi kasi
Agree to disagree.
No.
No, this is not about agree to
No.
disagree. I'm
No.
saying
Alam mo,
that's good. You have to express it, 'di ba? That's good. And I understand na you're not trying to be a revolutionary na dapat ganito yung mangyari.
I'm
I
the wrong
understand.
person na maging ganun. I'm
Right.
no role
I think
model.
that's me.
I don't even consider
Yeah.
myself smart.
Right.
'Di ba? I am not that person. But ang what takes me off lang ron kasi you're saying manggod na parang wag nating isipin yung mga something na beyond our control.
I'm not saying isipin like
Sabi mo kasi may mga tao doon na parang they deal with something na problema na dapat ito lang isipin. No, kasi kung pupunta ka doon sa mga tao, whoever they are, that's their problem. Pero sa atin dito, I'm just parang kinekwento natin kasi nag-umpisa tayo sa technology. And, 'di ba? Para mangyari lang tong podcast na to. 'Di ba? Kasi it's like a movie ba? You have to create this certain situation for the movie to happen. Kasi kung kayang kunwari Avengers, kung si Ant-Man pumunta sa asshole ni Thanos at lumaki siya, patay na sa kagad si Thanos. Tapos na ang movie. I'm just saying na I'm making this discussion para lang ang mga possible things to happen na it's happening right now.
Right.
Na yung mga certain evil people there until we become a victim of it, then dato ma-realize na bitaw sa posible man tong gisulti ni Dice na nailad ko pananglitan naloko yung nanay ko ng ganito ng AI.
right.
'Di ba? Naglagay siya ng pera doon. That's what I'm talking about, 'di ba? Let's not cuz what I understand is like don't talk about the problem na wala pa.
No, hindi yung point ko. Kasi I'm not saying those are impossible. Those are absolutely possible. That could happen. Those are absolutely possible. I'm just saying this is just for the sake of conversation. Yun nga. This is just for the sake of conversation. I'm just pointing out that
kasi
yun
ganito, we're doing
yung
this
sinasabi ko.
podcast. We're doing this podcast para may masabi tayo.
Exactly.
Based on what we feel or
So
based on what
basically,
we think.
I'm just piggybacking you ba na parang okay, it's good to think about those things, but at the end of the day, please, hopefully, let's just focus on things na that are within our control. Na not to dwell on those things. I know it can happen. It's
Yeah,
possible.
but that's a point, Sal.
Yeah.
Pero
Iba yung point ko. I'm not saying
na eto yung gusto mong sabihin.
wag, dapat dwell lang. No, I'm not saying. I'm just
Garvey is just
piggybacking
concerned.
Piggybacking you ba? Kasi yun, isa
So,
lang yung side sa sinabi mo eh. Yun lang na side eh. Hindi mo rin sinabi yung side, I'm just putting my other side din sa ganyan na thinking ba?
Funny lang kasi murag they end up na we're debating on something.
Yeah, parang ganun
Diba?
nga.
Yes,
We're almost,
wala
we're
man.
close to our,
Yeah.
our
'Di ba wala
1 hour.
dili man good mao akong gi-point out sad. Mao sad na it's weird lang na murag doon napunta yung conversation and it sounds like we were arguing in front of these people na parang sila mismo hindi sila nagkaintindihan sa mga inaano nila. I'm pointing out pinento ko yung possibility.
It just only shows na magkaiba talaga tayo ng
No,
Like,
but,
and I'm
but,
not-
the way you
Preface.
that imong gisulti is like yung timing nimo pagsulti na ko ba na
You were cutting him
Oh,
off
na
dahil
murabag.
before he made his
oh,
point.
di ba? Wala pa man ta dito. Wala pa ta sa end sa atong conversation. Of course, before, di ba, yun naman sa atong podcast, every time we say stuff, nadyo tayo disclaimer na, oy, we're not expert.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, imuhan ang choice.
Right.
Di ba?
Opinion.
Ayoko rin man kasi magmukhang nagmamarunong. Kapag umpisa pa lang, sinabi nga ni Kevin about crypto, sinabi ko nang I don't understand it. But doon ko na segue yung technology lang, 'di ba? Na how things are so fast. Yun lang naman, doon nag-umpisa, doon nag-spark yun, ang bilis ng technology. Makaka-catch up ba tayo?
You're right.
And do we have that attitude, that mindset to use this technology sa mabuti? Kasi ang napapansin ko sa mundo, parang nakakita kagad sila ng opportunity na mangloko
Yeah.
with technology.
With or without the technology.
Technology,
Ang mga
may manloloko.
manloloko talaga.
So yun lang. I mean,
Well,
I
I'm
think
sorry.
it's
I'm sorry if
easier
I
for
cut
them.
you off, dude. I'm sorry if I cut you off. I didn't mean to cut you off, and I never said that I didn't agree with you.
you
Can
didn't
we
say-
can
wala
we
kang
at
masulti.
least agree on that? Did I say that I disagreed with your point?
It seems like mo ring ana, di ba? Di kanina.
Because of the cut off.
Yeah, so
I'm sorry.
mo-
I'm sorry. My bad. That's
Diba?
my
Kaya
bad.
ako, kabaw-
I was just adding like I was just adding like another side of that thinking ba.
Bye.
So
Going back to that, no, like, kanang kuan, like, it's there. Like, di na dyan siya makontrol. Like, kanang, like, if you were at the start of, like, Facebook or kuan, you could have put a stop on that, di ba? Like, yeah, but it's there. And then it's a pandemic, actually. You'd, like, kanang social media is a pandemic, Jude. So, what I can do, in part of kanang agreeing sa kanang gisulti ni kuan ni Garvey, nga kanang what time mabuhat ana. You can always start at home. Like kanang like ako na ko
Kids.
nako teenager nga son.
yeah.
Like as early as kuan pa lang sila, bata pa lang yun sila. I've been exposed to like kuan with social media. I was there like kanang kanang pagsugod
Pagsugod
daw yun.
yun.
Okay, kanang right, kanang tayo mo sa tagtiguan nga like like I mean like
Unsay mo na amtan be?
yeah, like gikan sa kanang phone nga vroom nga bitaw kanang i-dial and then kahuman kinana internet like I was there like sa inception sa kanang social media but
Yeah.
Dial up.
what's the good thing that's the good thing about kanang kuan about millennials, right? So ang imo ra jung maingon kay imo ra jung mabuhat is like kuan like start at home then imo jung isulti like unsa jud ang agenda behind social media like nganong mao man ni imuhang makita you have to introduce them to like things like kanang mao man gini ang algorithm good like this is how algorithm works.
You
What you see
explain.
in social media is like kanang tungod man gud na sa like kanang what you see every day hantud ka mga kanang magka connect na that's part of like what's dumbing down people man gud karon. Like
Yeah.
if kanang shit I feel like kanang kuan like I feel like ranting about politics kung mga nanggawas tanan kay murag mga kuan na about politics na nga post na
algorithm.
nga hantod na kuan na and then there's gonna be boosted post about kanang politicians nga mo na lang magsigig kuan nimo
And you don't even know if it's true or
mo
not.
na lang sige makita nimo pirmi kay tungod Facebook is kanang making money out of it, right?
Yes.
So murag imos lang introduce nga that's the reason why you're seeing that is because of kanang algorithm. So there we know nimo nga there are other things more than politics.
True. Mao gyud.
Educate.
Yeah,
Educate.
Educate them.
Diba? Like, sa una, asa man ta mag-search encyclopedia.
Oh, right,
Diba?
right,
Karon
right.
na, ano, diba?
Sutson.
Oh, it's
Mo to
so
ba ang library?
easy.
Yeah.
Diba?
Moment that there's I don't know if you've heard about it like ang TikTok has their own version in China.
Yeah.
and
Ching chong.
No, remember?
oh yeah.
No, remember? Yeah,
Something
gi-mention
like
na ni
that.
Kiara kay, di ba that time katong giban ang TikTok sa kuan, ang katong mga naa sa US, they use the China,
The China
kuan,
TikTok.
na TikTok and galit na galit sila kasi hindi daw na maintindihan. Kasi Chinese nga di ba?
Ang kuan na going back, ang TikTok nga kuan nga version sa China kay dili about influencers magsayaw na. If you are at this certain kuan age bracket, kanira sad ang content nga
Yes.
ipagawas.
For
Educational.
Gymnastics.
Di para sa
Playing
ang
the piano.
Di para sa TikTok nga sa
Anything.
US bisag asa ba bisag kuan man like there kana kuan kanang search or kanang come across like kanang kuan kanang mga dancing trends mao na dayon ang ilang makuan ba. Dito sa China kay curated ang makita sa mga bata
So, it's the
Science.
government.
sa likuan.
Yes,
It's
mo
the
na.
government.
Regulated.
Regulated
So,
siya
sige.
by
So, mo na siya.
pwede.
So, mo na siya
Pwede.
na-challenge. Mo na,
I think it's a way pud more isa yung more conspiracy siya in a bit nga kanang kuan to think nga that's why China is releasing that version of TikTok kaya para madam down ang generation sa US and then China
Sa
will come
other
up with that.
kuan.
Yeah.
de,
Sa
Mas
world.
educated sila.
Communism.
Yeah.
So, mo lagi na siya.
They have a point.
Diba?
Yeah. Bright sila,
Bright
bulita.
sila, yeah.
Bulita. Tanaw lang tao kanang si kita kanina.
Oo.
Puro family kanang si
and-
Gigil ug si Kuan.
And it worked. Diba?
It works for them. Yeah.
It worked. Uy, yung China nga inana. So, tanawa sa man.
Science.
De, mo na,
Diba?
mo nang gi-point out sa mga gilabay na ako na question ba. Eh, imposible man kaya good na murabag, hey, we can't stop technology for improving, di ba? Yun na, paspas yun na siya, bibilis yan. But the thing is, yun yung question na parang, kaya bang tanggapin ng mga Pinoy yan? Kasi, eto lang it's so easy for us to say na, let's start with our in the household.
Boom.
But even my nephew, it's so hard to convince him to stop watching
How
YouTube.
many times na
Certain,
Diba?
How many
certain-
times namin dinilit yung
Diba?
Facebook
Kasi
niya? Pero
ang
na-
social media kasi, hindi naman niya tinatarget ang interest mo eh. Yung dopamine mo eh.
Yeah.
Yung dopamine mo na-excite ka.
Mm.
Nakaka-addict. Kasi addiction na yun eh. Early in the morning, you pick up your phone, di ba? Yung ibang addiction naman, pagising sa umaga, yosi. Di ba?
Mm.
Dopamine mo ang ina-attack eh.
Rabbit hole ka.
'Di ba? So hindi mo mapipigilan 'yun. So how do you the government or some powerful people there should step in to regulate it kasi hindi mo kung wala na silang papanoorin na ganun, wala silang choice.
Ang problem sa with kanang the regulating body bitaw like sa Senate, Congress nga na ipakakita sad ka sa kanang makagipangbutar sa mga tao.
Yeah.
And then when
May
those-
agenda kasi din.
And then when those CEOs are put on a spotlight, sila nga mangutana sa sila.
They have no idea.
Kasi
sa
have
mga-
no idea.
It's the
kanang
same
kuan.
as what
Kanang
China is doing, di ba? Gusto nila idam
Dumb
down
down.
ang mga tao.
Hindi, kaya nga, yun
Ay,
yun.
mga voters
So-
nila
so,
to keep
yeah.
on voting for them.
So, hence, yun yung sinasabi ko na parang, actually, we can't do nothing about it kasi every person involved, regardless kung siya yung nag-invento ng app na yan or regulate, may agenda kasi. Kasi tao lang. Pero ang hinihintay ko na the good thing na mangyayari, if nag-take over na totally yung AI, and yung sinasabi mo kanina na wala kasing heart na AI, wala siyang,
Emotion.
wala siyang critical thinking, parang, ano kagad siya, fix na eh. Di ba?
Yeah,
Kasi,
right
ano
or wrong.
Di ba? How I wish mangyari yon para wala na. Di ba? Kasi firm eh. Pag sinabing, wala nang, parang,
Wala
nang-
under the table,
Walang
wala-
so-so sa AI eh. Sa robot o sa AI. Parang, okay, so-so. Parang, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko na, I think papunta doon, yun yung maganda. Pero sa ngayon na we still have the human being, mga species
Meron pa.
natin, nandito pa, the world is doomed.
Yeah, pero eto, question. Like right now, do you think ikaw kanang darating yung time that you would hide from the internet or you would hide from mga inana? So like, we always talk about going off the grid.
Pwede.
So is
Gen X
it
ako eh.
going to be off the grid na no internet?
Yeah, Gen X ako eh. I've nasubukan kong walang computer, TV lang, black and white pa. Kaya kong pasayahin sarili ko.
So mag-Luke
I-
Skywalker ka
Yeah,
katunanan
I
sa
don't
island.
think Gen Alpha or even Gen Z could survive the world,
Yeah, I think I could too.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Tayo siguro millennials, ikaw, 'di ba?
Ikaw.
I think
You think?
pag
Lisod
umab-
kayo, like,
It's your
Hindi,
work
hindi,
pa man
to
right
work mo
now.
kasi. Pero aabot ka sa certain age mo na parang pag na-achieve mo na yon and
Ikaw.
para
Yeah, if I have my basic needs all provided for, then okay lang sa akin. Walang internet.
Kasi-
I tried it like sa ako amang good kay my line of work is with
Yes,
social
it's
media.
impossible for you.
Lisod kayo, like,
you have to be aware and
There was-
updated ka rin.
there was this one time depressed kay ko, like, it was the darkest moments sa akong kuan sa akong life.
Kim Brown out.
Kay naganahan kay ko nga kanang mo deactivate sa akong kuan sa akong mga social media.
Mhm.
Pero ang problema kay akong social media kay kuan
Connected.
kanang managers managers siya sa kanang mga kuan mga accounts ako mga clients.
Okay, marketing, di ba?
Kay
Social
man
marketing,
gusto,
right?
So if
You have no
I-
choice.
Wako'y choice.
Right now.
Hindi,
Then,
exempted ka sa ganun. No.
mukha-
What I'm saying, not even now. In the future, ba, if you settle
If
down.
ever, like,
Ever
yeah,
ba?
if ever,
Am I good?
everything provided for.
Yeah,
Right,
if,
ganun.
for example, if you're done, kasi work yun eh. Pag you save enough money, tapos
yeah.
okay ka na,
You don't need a job.
Tapos na si Ondoy.
tapos na lahat, and you guys are more like settled na, or whatever.
Can you?
Siguro, di ba? Kaya naman
Will
siguro,
you?
di ba?
Yeah,
I don't
well.
think,
Kaya eh.
di ba kasi you don't have to be plugged in per me sa matrix eh for you to survive eh. It's lagi, di ba? Ito
kuwan ako,
cliche nga, di ba? It's not where you at, it's who you with. Di ba? So kung off the grid, di ba? Di ba?
Yeah, totoo.
Di ba? Ito, di ba? Ito weird. Madalas kami sa Japan, di ba? Almost every year nandun kami. Late na lang, siguro mga third to the kailan ba? Yung mga lately na lang, early last year or this year, basta
When we
nandun kami.
close siguro the club when
No,
Kiara
no.
graduated.
No. Na mas na-enjoy ko na, di ba kasi pupunta kang Japan because high-tech doon, the technology, and it's like 20 years in the future.
Yeah.
Na-appreciate ko yung Japan sa rural area.
Countryside.
And it was so parang healing,
Calming.
man. Na parang, ito yung Japan. Ito yung Japan na makikita mo yung old people
Ng
there
mga tao.
na may naka-kimono. Then, yung everyday people sa Japan, sa rural
Gardening.
na wala yung neon lights, wala yung mga ganon. And na-appreciate ko. And you think about it, those people na survive nila, they're Japanese. High-tech sila. Kaya nilang lumayo doon. So I think kaya naman. If everything is provided and yun nga again, kung sino yung kasama mo.
Di siguro kaya yun sa yung mga loner, yung mga they find entertainment like social media lang talaga.
Okay, if you're used to it.
Like
if
ikaw
you're
lang
used-
mag-isa
but
ba?
That's a decision.
No,
That's a leap of faith naman.
There's a
gagawin mo
lot
yan.
of foreigners who goes to Japan who bought a house there sa rural area and sila lang mag-isa.
Ay, oo.
Hindi, so ka ng mga loner na tao ba? Type of tao na...
Ade, kung ikaw you have this depression or I don't think it's a good
Hindi
idea.
siya-
But
yeah.
maybe hindi mo rin
Tapos
alam.
mas masaya ka sa web kasi meron kang
No, but-
different character doon or
I
anything.
don't know kasi anong nag-contribute ng depression ni.
Yeah,
Diba? Baka pag
hindi rin
pumunta
natin
siya sa
masabi.
ganitong area, maano siya.
Ay, alam mo ba,
Mahihil.
muntik na kami
Maghihil.
Di ba, one time, muntik na kami mag-enroll ng mag-monk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a kuan program man.
Program sa Japan, like you will stay sa mountains and you will stay there for like 2 weeks?
2 weeks na ba yun?
2 weeks or a
But
month?
you cannot speak.
Tapos hindi
Hindi
ka
pwede
pwede mag-churba
mag-usap.
doon.
Oh, wala. Hindi din kami pwede
Hindi pwede mag-usap. Nga tabian mo kayo.
Di, yun nga yun eh.
Hindi ka pwede doon.
Come on, man.
Hindi mo yan kaya.
You're a judger.
Kanina pa din siya underestimate na ako. Dude, I'm looking for that peace. Di mo lang alam, di ba? I may be loud because I'm looking for peace. Yung opposite ng...
No, not
baka pag
not
nasa-
even loud. You have to express yourself.
Ay, di, malay mo.
Malay mo, sasayaw na lang siya doon.
Yun yung calm. Yun yung calm na hinahanap ko. Kasi like, di mo kasi ako nasamahan nung naglakad ako dun sa rural area eh. Kaming dalawa. Nakita mo yung saya ko dun? Na-appreciate mo ba yun?
He didn't say anything.
I'm so happy. I even saw a wombat for the first
Yeah,
time
may
sa akong
wombat.
life.
What's a wombat?
Basta wombat.
Search na.
Saan? Wombat sa...
Yeah,
Japan?
sa field. I saw a
Is it
wombat.
a wombat?
It's a wombat. I know it's a
Really?
wombat. I know what a wombat looks like.
Isn't
No,
that
sa field.
marsupial?
Basta kita ko
Sabi
wombat.
na, Pokemon na, wombat.
Marsupial, di ba? In Australia, marsupials are
Diba?
only located in
Na-appreciate na ko ba? And you know, naka-breathe ko. And I did, di ba? Meron pa. I do this.
Yeah, it's not a wombat, Dado.
Basta wombat yun. And I do this every time. Pag
Ay,
nasa,
wombat na ba? Wombat sa...
Wombats.
Wombat.
yan.
Oh, yeah, okay na. Yan.
Let me see.
Yan. That's what we
Oh,
saw.
wombat. Akala ko bat yung wombat.
Wombat.
Diba?
Because they get big butts?
Ito, diba? Every time punta tayong Japan, I do this every time. Yung naglalakad ako sa gabi, mag-isa lang umiikot.
Yeah, siya
I
lang.
do that.
Kasi I get tired and tugnaw.
I walk around the whole city na for 3 to 4 hours. Lakad lang.
Yeah.
Lakad lang ka.
Oo, tapos wala lang. Feel na feel ko lang yung parang
Feel na feel
Yeah,
niya
alam mo, gusto mo yan,
mag-Japanese.
pero what I meant was being a monk ba?
hindi mo alam kasi
The being a monk
No,
thing ba?
challenge.
Di kasi,
Yeah, challenge
di,
ka.
kasi iniisip mo na mag-monk ako, yung kakalbo, tapos may mga tuldok ako sa ulo, tapos
Oh.
hindi.
Oh, tapos may uniform.
No,
Na
dude,
uniform.
dude.
Na uniform. Yan na.
It's that retreat is specifically for
But
tourists looking for
Dado,
peace.
but walay meat.
What I mean?
There's always a start for something, Manggod. I mean,
Sure, baka na din na
alam ko, you guys always parang, hindi nyo imagine, understand me, you can't even hold a job or blah, blah, blah. Pero, that's something na murag ganahan ko masuway ba? Di ba? Murabag,
Pila ka months na daw?
No, dili, walay months.
2 weeks.
Unlimited?
2 weeks.
2 weeks
2
lang.
weeks.
2
2 weeks.
weeks.
That's,
Okay.
nandun ka sa mountain, tapos magme-meditate ka sa harap
No cellphone.
Ano kaya kayo? Pustahan?
No cellphone?
No cell phones, no anything.
No, nothing.
We
Tapos,
cannot talk nga.
Oh.
They
What
can talk.
should? They
dude,
can.
ang ganda ng view and
Yeah, you walk every day.
Can you
And-
pay for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, parang you're having a vacation lang ba? But you have to go through the shit ba?
Good fish, experience, di ba?
Diba kasi,
2 weeks, kaya yan.
Kaya mo?
Sayo na ng 2 weeks.
Sure?
diba?
Oh.
Yun lang yung sinasabi.
Enroll ka.
Pero yung no meat thing, that's a deal breaker for me.
Hindi, tsaka, dude, kumakain tayo ng gulay.
No
diba?
meat.
Makain Kumakain ka ng gulay, di ba?
So ano
sabi
yung
mo?
tofu lang?
I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
It's
Bitaw.
like fruits and yung nature lang ba?
Itong Karate Kid. Langoro mo.
Ew.
No. I know.
Protein.
I know na you find it funny and parang imposible na parang di ba?
But,
Pero
diba, it's a very good, kana to prove yourself, no?
Oo, ba? Like, kanang ko.
ano ba sinabi ko sa inyo na gusto pinaka-extreme na kung gawin? Kunwari, wag naman. If ever
If I die,
if she dies, anong gagawin ko sa buhay?
climb
alam
the
mo yun?
Mount Everest.
I will travel the world, dude, alone. Diba, punta kang India, punta kang ganito, try to, tapos siguro the last thing I'll do, punta kang Mount Everest. Pag namatay ako sa Mount Everest, ang gandang kwento no. Ano nangyari kay Dice? Namatay, umakyat siya sa Mount Everest,
No, they
nanigas.
won't know if namatay ka. So,
Regardless.
ambot ni
Yan talaga yung plan
kat-kat
niya.
mo to sa Mount
Diba?
Everest.
Basta wala na si IC.
No. Kasi, siyempre, I'm almost 50. 1 year na lang 50 na ako. Na-appreciate,
Oh, you don't look like...
dude, if think about it, think about it. I lived na sa Earth for 50 years. I think I have 10 or 20 years na lang remaining. So mas mahaba yung mas maiksi na lang yung natitira sa akin.
Mas mahaba na yung na-live mo.
Oo, 'di ba? And ano ba naman yung makita mo yung mundo? 'Di ba? Masubukan mo lahat. And I'm always very lucky and that humbles me every day because I understand na they see me na parang, dude, you're sometimes so ungrateful, you're so grumpy. Pero na-realize ko na, yeah, I got it easy. Comparing to other people na parang, uy, no, kung ano, I've done a lot of things. And yun yung last thing na gusto mong gawin. And yung pagiging monk, siguro mas sisiw yun kung isipin mo. It will be more difficult for me kung wala na siya. Yun siguro mas mahirap yun i-cope. Pero yung kung alam kong nandun na siya sa kabilang camp na nagmumunk.
Nagmumunk.
Oh, di ba? Sisiw yun. sisiw yun, di ba? Pero yung things na mga,
It's something to look forward to.
di tsaka,
Being a monk?
ibang
Hindi mo ba
experience
towards
yun. Iba yung experience nun. Baka, malay mo, baka yun yung inaano pa, pag uwi dito, no? Bait-bait mo na.
No?
Di ba?
Oo.
Kasi,
Daghan
It's-
jud bitaw kag kwan right after meditation bitaw when everything silent and you have a lot of time to
yes,
think about.
exactly.
Yeah.
At ikaw,
Yes,
like,
I mean,
ikaw
na-
coming from Cebu City ba? And then,
Yeah.
nibalhin kag Bohol.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, how was it?
Like kuan kayo siya by like
Therapeutic.
yeah, therapeutic jud kayo siya.
Kasi
Like,
nag-dive din to eh.
Oh,
di ba?
nag-free dive
Nagda-dive
sad ko,
ka.
yeah.
Mm.
And then kato pa yung pag-transition nako like, kanang diving but just like coming from a busy life then nagkuan kong diving like it was very wala nawa boy. Naputol.
Ito. Harot mo kasi.
Come on.
Sige, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So, very therapeutic kayo to kay kanang, you know, like, ang usual nga kanang mga diving spots na mo, kay mga remote nga areas.
So, walang tao talaga.
Oo, gamay na kayo.
Mga virgin
kanang kuwan.
kuan.
Oo. And
Teka,
not
Nasubukan
really.
mo na bang napunta ka sa yung parang super quiet
Hindi
place?
pa.
Have you tried that? Have
Yeah,
you experienced that?
Yung mga retreat, mga ganyan.
Retreat houses?
Ah.
Oh, they're made to be like that, man.
Oh,
bro.
oh,
Wala-
oh,
wala-
one day ra.
No.
One day lang ang
experience
ilang
yun ba na you walk? I
You
know
don't walk.
You hate walking.
Like kanang you walk around the island nga kanang
Wala
ang
na
kuwan
siya.
nga ang suga lang kay kanang limited lang for pila ka
I
pila ka
tried
oras.
camping.
Ay, nga na.
Yun, walang mga tao doon.
Kuwan. Like
Diba?
when I did kanang kuan free diving, kanang ang mga spots nga mga tuan kay mga spear fishing spots sa akong mga kauban ba. So
Spear fishing.
Oh, spear
spear.
fishing. No, katong spear gun.
Oh no, you cast away.
Cast away.
Kala mo ito avatar.
Sorry.
So kanang kuan so mga
Primitibo.
remote kayo
Badyaw.
Badyaw.
remote kay nga mga lugar where kanang dili kayo daghan kayong tao ba. So makaingon bitaw jud ko nga kanang coming from a big city. Therapeutic jud kayo
Yeah,
siya.
man.
And the act of free diving alone like di man nimo makuha ang peace sa free diving from kanang like diving like pila ka meters below dili it's more about one when you are in the surface kay muutong man ka right muutong ka
Utong means yung you try to stop your breathing or
iba po yun.
hold your breath.
Yes, yes.
Hold your
Ah,
breath.
bastos yung utong sa Tagalog.
Oo nga po pala.
Okay.
Oo, iba yung utong.
alright, so you
Yung
hold your
utong. Hold
You
your
hold
breath.
your breath.
Oo, yun yung utong
Ah.
sound.
kay if you dive and then ang heartbeat nimo ka nagbuto-buto
Yeah.
like it's
Oh, yeah,
one
yeah, yeah.
it's beating faster
Mm.
the more ka nga kusog mo consume og kanang oxygen.
Yes.
So, mas mo kung ano.
Oh,
yung
so
mga
ang
heart.
So
buhaton-
mubakat yung utong mo.
So buhaton nimo this is where I get my peace like when I was depressed ngani is when you're at the surface trying to get calm like floating lang ka then hinayon nimo kuan kanang i-feel nimo yung
Relax.
heart hantod nga kanang wala na kanang
Normal.
normal na siya.
Normal na yung beat
And when
ng
it's
heart.
normal na diha na ka mo dive. And then that's where I get the peace kay you get to master that skill eh. Like kanang kuan like it doesn't happen immediately like you have to like meditate like, you have to like hantod nga kanang mo kuan
Okay,
sa
di
tamas,
mo pwedeng parang Picasso na yung mga
Oh,
heart.
yeah. So you have to wait. So
Right.
you
Wow.
pag zero in mo mind like
That's
think,
good.
you think
Yeah,
of
diba?
nothing like
I mean, that's good and at least it help you.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
shut
kasi-
off from the world.
Di, kasi
And that's how I got my peace.
ang
like,
hirap
ganun ba?
i-achieve yun when you're in the
Peace.
city. Kaya ako yung I'm very grateful na natuto ako magluto. Very therapeutic sa akin yun. Ang pangbuisit lang sa akin pag nagluluto, pag nakaabang yung dalawang aso sa likod, tapos ang kulit-kulit, parang nasisira yung meditation ko. Pero very therapeutic and mapapansin niya naman yun pag masaya ako nagluluto, kaya kong pasarapin ba?
Nagsasayaw.
Kanta-kanta siya.
Dude,
Kanta-kanta.
therapeutic.
Flip-flip.
Hindi. Therapeutic gani ba? Ganahan ko relax ba? And mag-music lang ko or makuan ko. Kasi sa dami ng aking pinagdaan. sa dami.
Out now.
Out now.
First single ni Dice,
Yes.
Kalaban with
Kalaban.
Omar Baliw.
Yes.
Check nyo.
Check nyo. Yun. Sa dami nga ng pinagdaanan ba, And you try to escape those mga things na they've said to you and gibuhat ba. And ako magudang tao and I realized na tumatanda na ako na medyo emotional pala ako, OA pala ako.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So kahit gusto kong kalimutan 'yon, marag naadyo mo trigger ba and there's a lot of things na maka-trigger gani mo then will remind you ba.
Let it go.
'Di ba? So gusto ko i-let go 'yun. And yun yung mga kaya
Therapy mo.
kaya gusto ko laging nagta-travel. Ito na lang pinaka-OA na cringy na nangyari sa akin. Bullet train tapos kami lang pasahero doon sa car na 'yon.
Cart.
Sa car na 'yon, kami lang. And I was like looking sa window and parang on cue, okay, ito, sinadya ko talaga sa utak ko, drama mode. So, I played my playlist, yung Zen music ko. And parang, and I know na maiiyak ako, pero hindi ko pinigilan. Gusto ko umiyak. lang talaga.
No,
And
grabe, no?
and
I mean, like, yeah.
And that's the only time na, because when you cry, di ba, masakit sa dibdib, or you're in pain. Pero yun yung cry na masaya.
Happy cry.
Happy cry.
And I was so happy na parang,
I cried.
I cried, Jude Mayo.
Pinalabas mo ba, no?
Oh, and looking sa view ba na, and at the same time, it humbles me na, I have this opportunity to see this nice view na sana kasama ko ako mama diri, kasama na ako akong mga sisters. So, grateful at the same time. And muna akong ipangita ba, yun yung hinahanap ko lagi na parang ang hirap i-achieve pag nagmamaneho ka sa kalsada. Kaya frustrated ako. Pero and again, I try to parang
Most of that.
calm myself.
Yeah, okay.
Traveling is good.
I can empathize to that, dude, and to you din. At sa mga, yung mga may mga ganun din na feeling ba? Like, I think I don't know, I have it easy siguro. Like, kaya hindi ako masyado makarelate kasi,
You know what you are? You want me to be honest?
yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Since binisit mo ko kanina,
Sige.
gaganti ako. Ha?
No, it's all about honesty here.
Okay.
No.
Hindi, you're a tough guy, Manggod.
Hindi, dude.
No,
That's
no.
corny, man. Like,
No.
I don't-
I'm not even, dude, kuyog ta for quite a while na.
Siga ka kasi.
No, hindi. No,
that's corny. I don't like that.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not patronizing you, man. I'm not even
Yeah.
bullshitting you. Hinumdum ka. Tough, what I meant by being tough ba na para bang kaya gani mo i-shrug lang ng mga bullshit gani and pwede lang ka mo.
You don't
Yun nga,
dwell.
Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Wow.
You have to be
That's
tough.
accurate, man.
Diba? You have to be tough. You have to be tough to shrug those things. Kaya there's this one time, nagbantay sa Holic. And syempre, alam mo naman ako, mainitin ako, sinulog. And ang daming mga bobong customer na, alam mo, lapas dyan sa line ba? And what I did is, I flicked the rope para maigo sila. And what he did is, he calmed me down sa moment na buisit na ako. Dude, you know, I will, pag napaaway ka dyan, kasama ako, di ba? So, you don't want me to get in trouble dahil nainit lang ng ulo nimo, di ba? So, kaya ko di mo pakalmahin ba? Kasi naakay toughness inside you ba na kaya nimong baliwalain yung mga bobong tao sa mundo ba na parang, pwede naman na ignore yan eh. Bakit kailangan ka mag-duel?
Like, he
You
has
always-
like a high
you-
tolerance of bullshit.
Di ba? Yeah. Yes, exactly. So, muna akong kisabi. You're tough. You're tough.
Yeah, pero hindi yung tough na parang,
Ay, hindi.
Nang-
Dude,
Dati yun.
you stay away from fight. Yun yung na, ano sa, isang beses ka lang napaaway na hinampas yung kotse mo. But yun lang.
But yeah, I appreciate that feedback, man. Kasi parang it's hard din na parang ma-realize ko yan on my own ba. Na bakit hindi ako ganyan na parang
Di ka makarelate.
di ako bakit di ako makarelate when he was talking about his depression, how calm he was in the ocean. Bakit hindi ako makarelate? Bakit hindi ako kailangan ng mga ganyan? Bakit hindi ako kailangan
Dude,
pumunta ng Mount Everest?
lumaki-
Kasi parang boring ako ba? No, I'm fucking boring, man.
No,
Yeah,
dude.
that's why pala ang tahimik mo.
No, nga, parang boring ko tao.
No, dude, lumaki ka sa
No,
Talisay. Sa neighborhood mo, it toughen you up.
No nga eh. Kasi,
Sanay ka na sa mga kapitbahay na nagbibidyo okay ng alas 9 ng umaga, hindi mo na pinapansin yun. Sanay ka na sumisigaw na ganito. Hindi ka na buibuisit ng LDL. Parang,
sanay na ako nasuntok sa mukha.
Oh, and you know where they're coming from. Kumbaga ba, parang, these are my peeps, these are my people.
Yeah, I know.
So, ang problema ko kasi,
So may childhood siya?
kasi dun talaga siya.
May childhood siya?
Notice this.
Wala.
Pansinin niyo yung mga tao na dun na talaga lumaki, mula pagkabata at tumanda na. ang tolerance niya sa mga ganun, di ba? Pero kami kasi, palipat-lipat. Tumira kami sa ganito, ibang klaseng neighborhood, ibang neighborhood. Tapos lagi kami nilalagay sa neighborhood na tahimik.
What I meant ba, is I feel bad for myself na parang ang boring ko na tao. bakit hindi ko kailangan ng
Wala akong drama. Ganon.
Yan ba? Yung parang, what
Dude.
the fuck?
Kabaw ba ka? We envy that. Because we have to go through shit like this. Kailangan ko
Hindi, gusto ko rin din eh. Parang
Wait
ba-adventure
lang.
ba?
Para akong flower.
Gusto ko rin din eh. Na parang dapat
Ba't
ako
ako
rin.
walang gusto?
May goal ba? Na parang may goal ba na siya? Aakyat siya sa Mount Everest. Ako, bakit walang goal? What the fuck?
Ay, hindi. Gugulong ka. Pababa.
Bakit?
Chocolate Hills ka lang, okay na.
Kaya tayo, like, what the fuck? Am I a sloth? Di ba, parang just hanging here. Di ba? Na parang, what the fuck? But I appreciate that feedback, man. Like, it,
You haven't thought of
it was,
that?
Yeah, it was honest and at the same time, yeah, oo nga, no, I grew up in a tough neighborhood. Like,
Diba?
yung mga kasama ko, yung mga 10 times older than me, and they accepted me. Like, yung mga siga doon na mga 10 years older than me, they accepted me ba? They taught me
You're the
how
cute siga.
the street works and something like that, how respect works, how you don't snitch on your neighbors na nagde-deal ng drugs dyan.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganyan ba? So,
And yun yung maganda din. That is why as a father and us seeing you, how you treat your family and your son and yung mga daughters, na hindi mo ma-imagine na itong tatay nyo is laking sanggano to, pero hindi niya, pero walang trace na ganyan. That's amazing.
Yeah.
because that's embarrassing for me, man. Like, my
Diba?
past ba?
Oh, di ba? So
Hindi ko yan.
but that's how that's the good thing ni mo. Kaya kanina it's so easy for you, parang feeling na ako ba you parang I felt na you shrug it off kasi
No, I wasn't.
parang-
I
It's
wasn't.
not important.
oh na
Parang
parang
ganun.
man, parang don't be such a wimp, man.
No, I
Parang,
wasn't.
diba?
But you know where my heart is, right?
Yeah, I know,
Yeah,
diba?
I wasn't.
It's under
I wasn't
that
doing that. I was just giving another side to that ba na parang contrast din ba? Contrast.
Yeah.
I was providing contrast. Yung mali ko lang doon is I cut you off.
Yeah.
Which is, you said kasi, i-cut off nyo ako pag ang daldal ko na.
Yeah.
Akala ko okay lang. I wasn't sure that
No.
you were in that moment na.
Hindi kinat off mo ko sa point ko eh. Hindi sa pagdadadal.
Oo nga, I wasn't sure that you were in the moment na parang
But
may
anyway,
gustong-gusto ka na pala.
Wala akong kuwana na. Wala akong kuwana na. You know me, di ba? But Mosad na. And I'm so lucky na to have her din na pareho kami in a way, but siya lang din, believe ko kasi kaya niya rin, ewan ko, timbang din kasi minsan may times na hindi niya tinotolerate yung mga ganun.
I'm trying my best.
Pinapatulan niya.
And I think that's because
I've
that's why
learned that during the pandemic.
I think that's why we've stuck being friends kasi yung contrast natin ba.
Yeah, because diba,
I'm giving you another perspective ba.
yeah, dude, every time,
Yeah.
every
I think
time.
that's kanang kuan sa that's the good thing about this friendship, but this circle kay
Yeah.
we agree or disagree, but at the kuan bitaw like by the end of the day like kanang shit disagree ta pero kanang kuan
We speak our mind.
Hindi, normal lang sa amin yan.
Kanang
Eh,
kuan balik kami
yeah.
like magkuan gihapon balik
No,
magbigor
but-
gihapon na
the last
We
thing that
respect each is opinion, di ba?
Kaya even like
Magkaiba tayo talaga.
Bisan pag kana like I've been away from you guys like pila ka years pero kung magkita gyud ako shit mo na murag wala.
Hindi mo na feel na parang
because you know,
wala kaming sama sa loob sa iyo. Sama sa loob. Sama ng loob. Sorry. Thank you. Sama ng loob. So why, di ba?
Yun lang, if sa mga people out there, sa mga kids or sa mga youngins there, iwasan nyo yung yes man.
Yeah.
Di ba kasi
Panis yun.
di ba kasi ako may nakikita ako mga tapok ron eh. I've been to
We had a lot of those.
Ano yung tapok dun?
yeah,
Tapok.
mga tropa ba?
Tropa,
Minsan
tropa.
napupunta din ako sa ibang circle eh. Parang nahahalo ako doon, nakikinig ako sa mga opinion nila. Eh napapansin ko kung sino yung heavy hitter doon o yung Michael Jordan nila.
Or provider.
Lahat doon, yes man. And I feel bad already na this won't end up good for you, man, because you're surrounded
Yeah.
ka ng mga yes man.
Kuan ako
And-
ba inflated egos
Diba?
usually
And
like
yes,
grounded
yes.
ka,
And
ganun kuan.
ikaw ang villain at the end of the day. Ikaw yan. Kasi pinapalobo nila yung ego mo. Tapos pag pumutok yan, Sigurado.
Yeah.
Diba?
You're the bad
and
person.
I'm just happy na, yun na, umabot ako sa edad na gano'n, na at least, di ba, na parang, yeah, I know I'm in that age, matanda na, pero medyo bata pa rin mang isip, pero hindi, umabot pa ako sa gano'n na parang, uy, now I know na kung sino.
So na-differentiate mo na.
Yes, of course, di ba, sa dami naman.
Sa
pero,
experience din talaga
diba?
siguro yan.
and,
sa
and,
age.
and iba eh. Iba yung walang nang bullshit sa'yo ba?
Yeah.
Mm.
We're
Oh
too
my
old for that.
Yung bullshit
It's a
ka.
waste of time.
Kahit
Diba?
initially, nafa-frustrate ka, di ba?
Ako,
Initially.
I'll admit, pikon akong tao.
Di ba?
Ito lang.
Ma-frustrate ka eh.
Oh, di ba? Maski nga sa kanya, kunwari, kanina may pinarinig ako na, ito yung mix ko. May reklamo ka agad sa utak ko. Anong alam mo sa mixing? Buisit ka. Pero isip ko, di ba?
Hindi, sa kwan lang niya.
Ikaw?
Hindi siya ba?
Ikaw.
Ako na.
Di ba? No.
Yeah, it's so-
Di ba? Pero sa utak, syempre,
It was a
Di, para
comment.
malaman din nila na hindi mo binibullshit si
no,
Dave.
yun nga. Hindi nyo, ayaw patapusin, magmumukha ng
Sige.
Sorry.
Okay lang ako na ganunin. At i-attack ako na people around me na pag sinabi mo, dude, medyo kuan lagi dire. Napipikon ako nung tanginan to alam mo sa music video. Pero I take that as to consideration. I take it as a construct.
Hindi mo siya na-shrug.
Oo, na parang hindi pwedeng kung nakita mo 'yon. And I know naman mga taste ng mga tao, people around me. Unless kung si anak ka na parang, tanginan to, bulag ka eh. Anong alam mo sa ganyan? Diba? Or, diba? Diba? Wala kayo opinion sa mga yung ana. Diba?
Dagan kita gawin ron. Mga canceled.
Diba?
Cancellation.
Hindi ka pwede mag-opinion, bobo ka eh. Diba? Pero wala naman akong tropang bobo. So, I always take that as a consideration. For example, si Kevin, may siya, dude, nindot na to kung imong gikuha na. Mabuibuisit ako si Kevin.
Oo nga,
pakialam
initially.
niya. Diba? Pero,
You will look into it.
look into it kasi siya yun eh. May ID naman siya eh. Di ba? I know that
Ano ba
people
ito sinasabi ni Kuan?
may taste kayo eh.
Yeah.
That's
That's why we're friends.
Kasi
diba?
ito rin eh.
In the first place.
Ito yung prinsipyo ko eh. If you're the smartest in the room, leave that room.
Exactly.
Diba?
And also, dude, you also know where her heart is eh.
Yeah, yung heart mo nga, nahihirapan na yun eh.
Hoy, normal yung ECG ko.
Okay. Ito pala.
Normal ECG ko. Hindi, di ba? Kasi
My heart
you
is
also know where
fine.
your heart is eh. You also know where our heart is eh. Pag feedback yan ng ibang tao na alam mo itong tao to gusto lang tagang mag-visit sa'yo, siyempre, mag-visit ka
Yeah.
din, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka naman talaga open to feedback to everyone.
I know.
Di ba? Yun lang sa mga alam mo na they have they have good
The
intentions
best.
for you.
Hindi, tsaka mataas yung ego ko. Tangina, pag natandog ni mo akong ego, mabibwisit talaga ako. And regardless kung sino ka, maski siya pa yun, di ba? Parang, pakialamero to. Pero I always, alam ko kung sino.
Oo nga.
Alam ko kung sino, di ba? Hindi pwedeng parang, okay doon tong tricycle driver na to, may opinion sa ano ko.
Yeah, that's why as we grow older ba, the circle
Si
gets
Manong
smaller,
Taxi.
di ba?
Yeah, I guess all
Wala po kami problema sa mga tricycle driver.
I'm not saying na wala yung taste sila, pero random lang ba? Kung
Tayo nag-prosper.
This is by far our longest episode.
And a lot of like cancellation. Prospect for cancellation.
Hindi, joke lang yun.
Joke lang yan ay.
Joke lang yun.
May disclaimer kami ha.
Joke
It's
lang.
just for a midnight fun.
Yeah, joke lang.
Cancelled by Toda.
Yeah, move it. Walang magpapasakay sa akin na move it.
Pag ikaw nasiraan ka, wala kang move it.
Cancelled by...
Uy, gago ka. Maraming tricycle sa Bohol. Good luck ka na. Maglakaw ka from the Pantalan. Yun, good luck sa'yo.
Maglakad ka sa Pantalan. Pantalan ba yung port?
Oh,
Sa
Pantalan.
Tagalog?
Pantalan.
Pantawang?
Pantalan.
Pantalan.
Pambabae yun. Pag lalaki,
Pantalon.
pantalon. But anyways, okay. Let's end it na. Let's end it. Yes, ewan ko kung may natutunan kayo.
These are longest and most intense so
Oh
far.
yes, by far.
Gusto ko mangyari yung may mag-walk out talaga next time.
Muntik na.
Buti ka na mag-walk out.
Hindi. Ang baduy.
No one leaves the table.
Saan ka pupunta? Nasa bahay ka.
Pupunta ako dyan. Off cam.
Mag-walk out ba? Saan ka pupunta?
Off cam. Hindi. And tsaka yung mga taong nagwo-walk out, mahinang nila lang yun.
Yes.
Panindigan nyo yung argument. Kasi if may point ka, ano mo,
Yeah.
panindigan mo. But anyways, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Kev, for
Thank you,
for-
guys. Ang
Thanks for
galing.
Awesome. That was a good one.
I told you, like, murag, kitanaw ko podcast, murag kami, raw na nag-story.
Exactly.
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 Kanina, problema pa tayo ano yung pag-uusapan.
Oo, lagi.
Oo nga eh.
Ay, naku ba? Kailan ba ito nauubusan pag-usapan, di ba?
Hindi naman pala problema yun. Mga matatalino naman tayo.
Oo. We have nothing against sa mga bobo ha. And hindi namin sinasabing matalino kami. Pero bobo lang talaga yung iba dyan. But anyways, this is the Midnight Snack once again. And I'm Dice.
I'm High C.
And I'm Garvey.
And we have...
I'm Nav. Thanks for having me.
Okay, see you guys. See you
Happy
on the
midnight.
next.
Bye.